How do they make parade floats? Have you ever watched a parade and marveled at the stunning floats gliding by? You might be wondering how these impressive creations come to life. Let's break down the fascinating process of making parade floats, especially those seen in theme parks and major events. The journey begins with a theme or concept. Designers brainstorm ideas that fit the parade's overall message. They create sketches and three-dimensional models to visualize how the float will look and function. The themes are usually family-friendly, allowing for creativity while steering clear of any controversial topics. This planning stage also includes deciding on the float's size, shape, and any animated elements it may feature. Next, builders start constructing the base structure. Most floats are built on a flatbed trailer chassis, which allows them to move along the parade route. A steel frame is welded onto this chassis to create a sturdy skeleton that supports decorations and mechanical components. The edges of the float are designed to give the illusion of floating, often with about 1 inch of clearance from the ground. Once the frame is ready, the next step is creating the framework for decorations. Builders attach chicken wire or mesh to the steel frame to shape characters or design elements. This framework serves as a mold for decorations and can be sculpted into detailed forms. For floats with moving parts, mechanical systems like gears and motors are installed and tested at this stage to ensure everything operates smoothly during the parade. After the framework is complete, a base coating is applied. The mesh-covered structure is sprayed with a polyvinyl material that acts as a foundation for the decorations. This base is often painted in colors that will complement the final look, such as the background colors of flowers or other materials. Now comes the fun part, decorating the float. This is where the magic truly happens. Fresh flowers, seeds, leaves, and other natural materials are meticulously glued or pinned onto the float's surface. This phase requires a lot of hands, often involving hundreds or thousands of volunteers working in shifts, especially in the final week before the parade. Once the decorations are in place, props and figures are added. These can include large characters or thematic objects made from lightweight materials. For animated floats, these props are connected to the mechanical systems, allowing for movement like waving arms or turning wheels. After all the decorations and props are set, the float receives its finishing touches. Painters add details, and protective coatings are applied to safeguard the decorations from weather conditions during the parade. Waterproofing sprays ensure that the float looks great, no matter what Mother Nature has in store. Once the parade is over, the floats are stripped down to their chassis. The structural elements, like steel frames, are often reused for future floats. Props may be repainted or modified for new designs, allowing parts of the floats to have a life cycle that extends over several years. In theme parks, parade floats are designed not only for visual impact but also for durability and safety, as they perform repeatedly throughout the season. The entire float-making process can take many months, involving a large team of artists, engineers, volunteers, and technicians working together to create these moving masterpieces. So, the next time you watch a parade video, you will appreciate the artistry and effort that goes into making those spectacular floats.